Hello everyone. Today we are going to see some puzzles and try to solve them. As you can see on your screen, there is a puzzle which is white to play and checkmate in two moves. This is an easy one, so I want you all to pause the video and find it by yourself. Whenever you see a puzzle, always see three things. Firstly, weak pieces of opponent. Secondly, position of the king and the advantage you have. In this position, the advantage you have is the cramp position of the king. King is not in a good position, but you also have to make sure that you don't waste a move, because if you play something like a bad move, then he will simply capture your queen, and your rook is also hanging. So you can't waste a single move. Here you have to see that e8 square is extremely powerful for you because king have nowhere else to go. If somehow you can bring your queen to e8, then it will be a checkmate. But right now, this queen is blocking that square. So you have to somehow divert the queen. I'm going to do it by moving my bishop to f6 with a check. Now this king have nowhere else to go, and we are also somehow protecting our rook. So the only move black have is to capture our bishop with his queen. Now, as I said, this e8 square. Now we will deliver checkmate on e8, queen to e8. This puzzle was quite easy. Let's move towards other puzzles. Now, as you can see on your screens, that this is again white to play and made in three moves. I will again ask you to pause the video and find the best move. Just follow that criteria. See the weak pieces, see the position of the king, and the advantage you have. In this position, the hanging piece is this knight. We can simply capture this knight. But is there any other better move? As I said, it's a checkmate position. So if you capture this, you will already waste a move. Now let's see what advantage we have. The strongest piece in this position is our bishop. As you can see, it is cutting off the movement of the king. King have only two squares to move right now, e7 and f8. So, and this rook is also extremely powerful. So the threat I'm going to give is rook to h4, threatening to give checkmate on f8, h8. Now the only thing that can prevent it, you can't play f8 right now, as it will be same checkmate. So the only move that black have is rook to h, bishop to h5. Now what? Can you see the move? Yes, it is rook captures bishop. You have to see that this pawn is pinned, so you can't capture it. Now whatever black plays, black can't give us any checks. So it is just mate in one in next move. So whatever black plays, we will simply deliver checkmate. Now let's see one more position. This position. Again, this position is extremely interesting. Again, I will ask you to pause the video and find it by yourself firstly. Then we will discuss it. Again, follow the same criteria. See the position of the opponent's king, see his weak pieces, and then see your powerful pieces. I hope you got the answer. So, this position of this king is king. We can't deliver any check right now. I mean, we can deliver this check, but this is useless. We will simply capture it, capture our queen. So there is no good check in this position, and we also have to make sure that our queen is hanging. So we have to save it as well, or if not save it, then find the correct variation. Right now, when we see the opponent's pieces, then they are extremely cramped. This piece is hanging, this knight is also hanging, and can we take advantage of it? But our own bishop is also hanging. So if we capture this bishop, he will simply capture it back. Yes, I think you all got this now. We will capture this bishop first. Now, if we don't want to get a piece down, then he will capture it. He can't capture it with his king. So he will capture it. Then we will move our queen to f4. I'm sorry, c4 with a check. And now we are also attacking this knight. So it's a double attack. Now wherever the king moves, we will simply capture the knight and we will be a piece up. So for example, he plays this, then we can even give a check if we want, because we have to move his king. And now we will capture it. We are just up a whole piece and we are winning this. Keep solving puzzles. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for attending.